Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by duplicating the background layer and convert the copy to a smart object for non-destructive editing. Desaturate that smart object using image adjustments desaturate or press Shift plus Ctrl plus U to remove color and better read tonal values. Resize to final dimensions before applying filters. Use 300 pixels per inch for print or 72 ppi for web to preserve sharpness. If the image is noisy, apply filter noise, reduce noise with strength 3, and preserve detail. Open Filter Gallery and select a sketch category filter such as photocopy, graphic pen, or Cont Crayon to start the effect. In the filter dialog, set stroke weight, detail, and light/dark balance. As a baseline, try stroke 4, detail 8, and lightness 0, then tweak to taste. Apply the filter to the smart object so it becomes a smart filter. Toggle the smart filter visibility and adjust the filter opacity to 50% for a subtle, hand-drawn appearance that still shows original tones beneath. Refine the effect by changing the smart filter, blend mode to multiply or overlay to enhance line contrast, and integrate the sketch into the image. Add a layer mask to the smart object and paint with a soft black brush at 30% opacity to remove the sketch from skin or important highlights. For repeatable results, save your settings as a filter gallery preset. When finished, export the final image as a PNG for transparent backgrounds or a high-quality JPEG, set to 10 or 12 for smaller file sizes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.